Decode Design Masters, a signature micro-series featuring thought leaders and brands that represent the best in architecture and interiors design. When it comes to design, fabric is one of the biggest game changers, and Via Home epitomizes excellence when one talks about fabric. Creating the most exquisite textiles for design houses around the world, Via is a Bangalore-based textile studio from the House of Universal Textile Mills.
For any design project, whether this is a home, whether this is a hospitality project, the sheer variety of fabrics that are available today can either be exhilarating or extremely daunting. A clue on how to actually work this would be to start inside out, to start with the theme that you're already working with, and then make sure that you're continuing that and taking that forward with respect to the fabrics that you select. The other way is to work outside it, and that would be to start with a really exciting fabric, something that could be an heirloom, something that was passed on, something that was really exciting about the embroidery. Building a theme from that can be another really interesting way to have a design that is completely unique and stands out.
When it comes to styles as well, we have a wide range on offer. Modern, Indian-inspired, geometric, European classic, and the list goes on and on. We're always looking for that next best thing. We focus a lot on natural fibers, and I'm proud to say that we have the largest color range of linens, silks, and cottons, which can be used for draperies and upholsteries depending on what the designer chooses to. We also innovate a lot at the yarn stage. For example, Kasturi, the hand-twisted dyed yarn. Each yarn is meticulously dyed and then twisted by hand to give it a randomized but beautiful hand-looked effect.
A little insight on the key nature of each fabric would make it easier to make these decisions with respect to where to place each fabric in each area. For example, in a home, in your public areas, you want to actually pick from cottons to poly blends that will allow it. These are higher traffic areas, aren't they? This means that with more people interacting with the fabric here, this is something that shows off really well, but also is easier to last, hold its form and maintain in the longer run. In your private areas, the raw silk that excites you, the voile, the mulmuls, the silk, all of these are very delicate fabrics. As much as there is no rule that these can't be used in public areas, it is preferred to use these in areas where there is lesser interaction with the fabric.
Our mill has been designing and weaving products for really high-end designers for the past many decades. Across the globe, we're known for our dedication to design and quality. And we bring the same passion to the Indian market. Having our own manufacturing facilities gives us a huge added advantage. This allows us to create anything that a designer needs. We've worked at many museums, hotels, and palaces in the past to create products especially suited for those projects.
My design journey, almost 15 years now, running design firms and larger design studios now, I've interacted with tens, hundreds, thousands of customers who all have been first initially baffled and then eventually dazzled by what is actually possible by fabric. What has really been exciting to see as a designer is how this has changed and the innovation that technology can bring in this space. In a place like Bangalore, it's wonderful year-round to actually live outdoors. The way homes are constructed, this is an actual possibility where you can truly enjoy an outdoor-indoor kind of living. There are fabrics today that truly allow you to, with minimal maintenance, manage and straddle these two lines, where you have lovely upholstery that works both against sun and moisture. But increasingly what has really excited most of the designers I work with is how you can bring a sense of where you belong, of where you are via fabric. At the end of the day, most of what we create via furniture, what we import, with whether this is our decorative lighting, is coming from all over the world. We are truly global in that sense. But we like to be rooted, don't we? We like to feel that we belong in a certain place. And that is something that is easy to bring about via textiles.
Our fabrics are the end result of a robust legacy. For the past 50 years, Universal Textile Mills, our parent company, has been weaving beautiful silks that have been sold across the globe. Being in the heart of the Indian silk industry, mills like ours have worked tirelessly over the past few decades, pushing the boundaries of design and giving fierce competition to the storied mills of Prato, Como, and France. Today, designers across the world come to us to create beautiful fabrics that they just cannot get anywhere else. Hand embroideries, silk jacquards, beautiful velvets, and digital prints. We weave everything here in our mill in Bangalore, using imported European and Japanese machinery. We also engage with artisans across Karnataka and Banaras to create delicate hand-woven products and embroideries. We source our yarns from the best producers across the globe, and we always strive to use sustainable practices in our manufacturing processes, whether it be labor practices, the use of dyed yarns, or the use of renewable electricity. We always want to make sure that our products are having the least impact on the environment.
Whether you're a practicing designer or a house-proud aesthete, the fabric choices you make for your spaces will be one of the most important ones when it comes to your home. Easy maintenance, durability, color, texture, print, pattern, and blend are everything you need to focus on to get things right.